You know, one of the things that our industry and the fiber industry is really needing is companies to develop products in a way that makes sense for the craft worker. And I'm really proud to know that our company, instead of lab engineering our products, we field engineer our products. And what I mean by that is we have on staff folks that have worked out in the field that have built the fiber networks. They funnel that information into the product development teams, and then they create products that are craft friendly, that are easy to use, that reduce the amount of time it takes to connect up the fiber networks. My name's Kevin Morgan. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer at Clearfield, and I've been there for 8 years. I really enjoy this industry and what we're able to accomplish. And I think about accelerating, what are we doing to accelerate the future of fiber? And when I think about what that means for us as a supplier, as a company that's working out how to connect the fiber, one of the things that's really critical is not just passing the homes with fiber, but also connecting the homes with fiber. If you look at our product portfolio, we've got everything from A to Z. We've got everything from the central office to the outside plant, and also at the home, connecting that. What we're focusing on over the last year or two has been how do we improve connecting the home. We announced a new product at our show this year called the Deploy Reel Tap Box. It's designed to reduce the amount of installation time by 30 minutes per install. If you think about it, if I'm an installer and I'm installing 4 homes a day and I save 30 minutes each home, I'm going to increase to 6 homes a day. And so it's all about increasing the velocity, and that's what really matters. That's what drives this fiber future.